Imagine you are working on a very important report in Excel and suddenly Excel crashes or you close your file without saving it. Isn't it a disaster? So today I'm gonna show you a way to save yourself from such a disaster. So what is it? Click on File menu and then Options. In this, click on Save, and here you will have to check these two boxes. First is Save Autorecover Information. You can see that it is set to 10 minutes by default, but if you want you can change it from 1 minute to 120 minutes. Okay, so the second option is keep the last autosaved version. If I close without saving, as I told you, it is to protect you if you close without saving. Below here you can also set a path or folder in your computer to save this auto recover file, and that's it. You are now protected.